No, it's a private property, right? And this is Kumunda.
Yeah, so but the private property owner.
But will he remove it? What we are saying,
if he says I'm not removing it, somebody should have the authority to instruct him to remove it, right?
Disaster management authority can instruct. That will move the process. It is not an issue. I am writing to district disaster management authority.
Okay.
But how long the process? Because meanwhile, because it has to be done.
No, we'll write right away.
Right away.
Yeah. This is disaster.
But yeah, I know. But how long? What is the long? How long is the process? 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 1 month?
No. It won't take a month. It will be done prior to that.
Because one compound wall has gone.
Correct.
So tomorrow one more will go. Day after tomorrow one more will go.
Take 1 month.
So see, our panchayat is like they are there. The MLA is also there, and whatever the local politicians are, they are also there. But
No, it will happen.
being they are coming there, but the solution is like the person who is, I don't know who is the owner of it. He needs to come and see, and he needs to come out and
issue directions to the collector.
But how long? 8 days?
Yeah, it will take less than that.
Less than days.
But overnight this thing can collapse and.
No, that is correct. But
And
see, in these rains now, to touch it also is very
Kennedy
difficult, right? Touch it
this
now.
much the
But
mud
then
has
if
come.
suppose the houses get destroyed down, who is going to take responsibility for that? Somebody has to.
Some is in communal property also. They also check, right? Because this method
We
had
checked,
highlighted it in January now. Today we are in July. So almost 6 months.
No, but what action can the Kumnida take on him? We can't take any action, right? It has to be the authority, right? Somebody has illegally encroached in our property. We are not the authority to take action against
You
him.
have written to administrator about it.
Yes. Once again, I am not too familiar with the case. I'll
You
just
came
wait for
in
the action.
January, you said, correct? So it took from January, now we are in July. So it is now 7 months. Okay. But the assurance you are giving us that it will take less than 8 days.
I will see my promise.
Within a day. So the letter will go to him.
Collector is the public authority to the direction. Collector is the chairperson of the district disaster management.
Okay.
So here Mamladar might refuse to report the issue, report that to the collector.
And from there, the directions will be given.
Directions will be. Directly we are
मला मेन कितें आसा तुमी आनी पंचायत दोगांनी डायरेक्शन दिवपाक जाय कोणूय आसूं तो आनी हांव सांगता नांव कोणाचें आमकांय खबर आसा तुकाय खबर आसा कोण तो रुदल फेर्नांडीस तेज्या नांवार आसा तेज्या बायलेच्या नांवार आसा ही प्रॉपर्टी लँड फिलींग केल्या हेज्या पयलीं आमी हांगा येवन गेल्ले ही द MLA ऑफ सांताक्रूज ओके तें तुमकां खबर आसा सो MLA म्हणून ताणें हें करपाक जाय हांगा डिजास्टर जाल्यार सगळ्यांची घरां म्हणून वयतली आनी तेन्नाय हें सांगलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय काडलेलें एसेंब्लीनूय मांडलेलें तरी पूण आतां कितें जालें तें तुमकां खबर आसा आनी हेजे फुडें आनीक जातलें फॉर नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ ऑर मोर देन 2-3 मंथ्स कंटिन्युअस रेनफॉल वील बी देयर आनी तेन्ना कोणाचें कॉलॅप्स जायत कितें जायत न्ही ना आतां ऑलरेडी कंपाऊंड वॉल कॉलॅप्स जाल्या तशी बाकीच्यांची कोणाची घरां आनी कितें कॉलॅप्स जायत गॅरंटी ना बट तुमी डिजास्टर एज अ डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट थ्रू द कलेक्टर यू हॅव टू गिव हिम डायरेक्शन टू टेक अवे द मड इतलो मड घातला ऑलमोस्ट 3,800 स्क्वेअर मीटर वी हॅव मेजर्ड इट along with mining department, along with your TCP department have given a report that they don't have any problem. Take a permission घेवपाक गरज ना. This is the report from the TCP department. So you all have to give a direction because there will be a biggest disaster over here in Santandre. No, today itself you have to process and you have to stop this and you have to reclaim the land as per the act. As per the disaster management act, you have to reclaim the land. You all have not done anything after that, like reclamation, nothing you all have done. And he can't construct a retaining wall, that's what I am telling you, because retaining wall बांधली नाल्यार परत आनी collapse जातलो. Retaining wall more than 20 meters retaining wall थंय सस्टेन जावपाची ना. पावस पडटलो सकयल उदक वयतलें आनी आख्खी retaining wall collapse जाता आनी व्हडलो disaster जातलो. So retaining wall फाल्यां तो बांदतलो आनी कितें म्हणटलो कित्याक ऑलरेडी तेंणी इनलिगल कंस्ट्रक्शन केलां, इनलिगल घातलां तेंणी डंपिंग केलां. So all the departments should be like, and what जो mud हाडला पळय, it is of smart city. You all have to investigate how we can get this mud. What investigation you all have done? Nothing. Any investigation is done? From where he has brought this mud? सगळी रेंव माती आसा आख्खी पणजे स्मार्ट सिटीची माती ती आनी ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांचेर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपाक जाय हाव दे कॅन गिव this mud over here. So investigation I have written to you all long back in January itself and सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक बरयला but till now the action has not been taken. You all have issued a notice, that's it. After that nothing has been done. आता वो disaster it is in the making. We have seen. केन्ना कितें मोडोन वचत नेम ना आनी हें सगळे कडेन जाता हांगाच न्हू ऑल ओव्हर गोवा हें चालू आसा कोण लँड फिलिंग करता कोण हिल कटींग करता चालूच आसा सो अशें समज जाल्यार डिजास्टर टायमार अशें जाता इश्यू जाता सो तुमचो एक्शन सारको आसलो आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर एज वेल आय विल स्पीक टू द रेव्हेन्यू सेक्रेटरी एज वेल आनी मिनिस्टराक उलयता रेव्हेन्यूचो आतां तेंचें कितें भितरले भितर आसा हांव नकळो पण हांव उलयतलो मिनिस्टरा कडेन आनी तेंकांय सांगतलो तेंकां कळपाक जाय कितें लँड फिलिंग आसा ती आय वॉन्ट द एंटायर रिपोर्ट बाय टुमॉरो इटसेल्फ आनी कोणान माती खंयची माती हाडल्या पळय तो रिपोर्ट म्हाका पयलो जाय इट इज बारीक ना ती 3800 स्क्वेअर मिटर एरिया प्लस हायट इज ऑलमोस्ट 20 हायट मिटराची आसा सो इतली एरियान तूं माती घालता खंयची माती हाडटा हें कांय ना आय विल स्पीक टू द कलेक्टर बिकॉज कलेक्टर इज लायबल टू गेट दीस डन आनी स्कूल लँड सगळी माती आसा ती हांगा काडपाक लावपाची नाल्यार ती तूं कितलोय हें कर सकयल तूं शेवाळे घाल तूं ट्रक हाड आनी कितें कर ती माती स्टॉप जावपाची ना माती वयतली आनी त्या दिसाच सांगलेलें माती वयतली म्हणून देवतली म्हणून एक माडाची हायट आसा थंय माड आसा तो माडाच्या हायटीचेर आसा तुवें पळयला मेजरमेंट पासून काडटा आसतना पळयला बट डिपार्टमेंट आतां TCP डिपार्टमेंटान रिपोर्ट कितें दिला तांकां काय लागना म्हणून यू हॅव टू रायट टू देम
ना आमी फॉरवर्ड केल्ले सर
ना फॉरवर्ड न्हू तुमी रायट हें करपा जाय एज पर माय कंप्लेन विच आय मेन्शन ऑन जानेवारी त्या कंप्लेनी प्रमाणे तुमी बरोवंक जाय तांकां कितें रिपोर्ट दिला एज पर एक्ट ताका तो लागत ना तांकां ते म्हणटा लँड फिलिंग न्हूच म्हणून यू कांट सी दीस येदो व्हडलो लँड फिलिंग केला आनी लँड फिलिंग न्हू एक आमदार आसा म्हणून ताका सोडप आनी कॉमन मनशाक तुमी एक्शन घेता रोखडेच यू ऑल आर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट the collector is also government servant. You have to act on this. Also the panchayat have to act on this.